Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play your PlayStation Portal on an airplane. First, understand that the Portal is a remote play device, not a standalone console. It streams games from your PlayStation 5, which must be powered on and connected to the internet at your home location. This means the Portal itself also needs a strong, consistent internet connection to reach your home console, typically requiring at least 15 megabits per second for smooth gameplay. Connecting your Portal to airplane Wi-Fi presents significant challenges. In-flight internet typically offers limited bandwidth, often just a few megabits per second, and experiences high latency due to satellite communication. These conditions are far from ideal for game streaming, which demands a very stable and low-latency connection. You will likely encounter frequent disconnections, severe input lag, and a generally frustrating experience trying to play. For the best PlayStation Portal experience, your PlayStation 5 should be connected via a wired Ethernet cable at home. The Portal itself performs optimally on a strong Wi-Fi 6 or 5 GHz network. This setup minimizes latency and ensures a smooth stream. A consistent internet speed of at least 15 megabits per second is crucial for a better play experience. Achieving these ideal conditions on an airplane is nearly impossible, as you cannot control the home console's connection or the plane's network quality. Given the technical requirements, playing your PlayStation Portal on an airplane with a satisfactory experience is highly unlikely. The network conditions simply aren't suitable for low-latency game streaming. For enjoyable in-flight gaming, consider portable consoles like a Nintendo Switch or Steam Deck, where you can download games for offline play. Alternatively, enjoy offline mobile games, movies, or books during your journey.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.